Morning traders, Nick Massandrea, Market Tea Leaves here to bring you our daily market bias video for Monday, June 29th. It's approximately 4:35 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session. Asia, all of Asia closed to the downside, with many of the exchanges trading into triple-digit negative territory. Currently, right now in Europe, Europe is pretty much the same. Just about every index, exchange, etc., is trading into negative triple-digit territory. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, currency in terms of the US dollar is trading higher, much higher, in fact. Energies in terms of crude is trading down. It's been trading down pretty much all morning long. There is correlation between the US dollar and crude as of this broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading way higher. And I think in all the years I've been trading, I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like this before. But basically what this is saying is that we're looking at over 100 points in terms of higher trades as opposed to where it closed on Friday. I've never seen that before in the bond market, but this is an unusual circumstance. The news in Greece is driving pretty much everything right now, and I'll explain that in a little while. The indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all trading to the downside and pretty much into triple-digit territory. As you would imagine, gold being a precious metal is trading higher. And it is off its highs. However, it is still clearly a fear factor involved with the precious metals gold market. Now, if we were to take a look at the economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we really don't have very much of anything. We do have pending home sales, which is out at 10 a.m. This is the only economic news report that we have for the U.S. markets. It could certainly be a market mover, if you will. But once again, I think that the news in Greece is really going to override just about everything else that's out there. All in all, our bias is to the downside. And the reason why I was suggesting this is because the U.S. dollar is trading higher, bonds are trading higher, and this does not bode well for an upside day. Additionally, the economic news from Greece is not very positive. Pretty much as it stands right now, the ECB has cut off any kind of emergency funding for the Greek banks. The Greek banks are all closed today, as is the Athens Stock Exchange. And this is driving pretty much all of the various indices and exchanges worldwide, if you will, down. So hence, I would say that if you are going to trade to the downside today or short the market, I would suggest staying out of it, because obviously with this going on right now, there's tremendous volatility. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.